Raining again today. Every morning this week has been rain. You can see Tony right there in traffic. See that truck? It's Tony. I'm finally heading out now. I got a lot of work done today, but I also have like a lot of small projects that I'm waiting to finish up because like I need somebody else to finish something or get back to me. So it's like a long to-do list of mini things now. Slowly getting it all done. It's hot in here. Now I have to go home and pick up my little sister and take her to the chiropractor. She's gonna get her neck snapped. Have you ever seen somebody get adjusted at the chiropractor? It looks painful. You can just hear like crack, 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 crack. I've never gone and I never will. Luckily I don't need to, but it creeps me out, but she loves it. She has to go like every month. Oh, it's hot. Hot and hot, hot. Put some AC on in here. Get some air in here. It's not the exact one, but it's the same one, but ducked around. Whoa!
Always nice.
Basically, our relationship's a little
Messed up,
on
yeah.
rocks. But we'll see. I don't. Well, definitely.
I move up a little bit.
Yeah. Hang on. You got it.
Oh,
Alright, so let's see what.
hurts already.
Sacrum, that lumbar.
My mid-back feels tight.
Usually, yeah.
Oh, good.
So it's gonna be use that drop. Just like that. So use that little tool.
Oh no.
She was telling me she hates that.
Oh, caramba.
So experimental. She's not even on vacation.
What?
Never seen her. So anyway, is that sacrum? So really feel the sacrum. Okay.
God.
And that lumbar. There it goes. Okay. All right. This side's not bad, but I'll still get that lumbar. On this side, let's get that lumbar. There.
You think after how many years I know which way my arms
Yeah, I
go?
know, right?
That hurts.
Oh God.
That lumbar.
It
See
sounds
that?
worse.
Yeah, but that's pinching a nerve and you get the inflammation. As I hold, can you push up at that left? I'll hold here.
Push up my
Can you
left
push
leg.
up at the left leg?
Nope.
Good. Yeah, it's good. As long as you have the strength. Can you push up at the right this time to the ceiling? Yeah, that's up, right? Okay. Hey, can you push towards me with your feet? With the left? Yes, that's good. Just want to check the disc in your back. It's good. But the nerve will not.
I've had one of those before.
Yeah. So I'll check the socket. Yeah, so you're normal.
And I'll be 5'1" before you know it.
Yeah, no, that's definitely. Yeah, that's when I compare. So I'll still work some more in a second. So yeah, it's that number, lower C7. So it's a little adjustment. Yeah.
Couldn't do it.
That's all right. I'm gonna get you from there. Yeah, really easy. There it is.
Oh,
It's sure gonna throw up.
sorry.
Gonna melt onto the floor.
It definitely gets.
No tinglies.
No.
Wait, so it's surprise? No.
No, it did move. Good, so I'll miss that.
Sweet spot.
It's yeah, it's good. Like your rotator is
Owning
good.
this.
You go a little.
I'm lopsided anyway.
Yeah, just that little bit to the right. Yeah, you're good. There, that's all.
That's a doozy. Weird, like.
Check the buttons.
And I'm like, I wasn't sure it was because of like my shoulder. Oh.
Hat there, huh?
This is when Sandy was in the Navy SEALs.
What's the matter?
Stolen valor.
She just shot you the dirtiest look when you said stolen valor.
She did.
Eating some pasta salad, potatoes, and chicken. New liquor store. It's supposed to be the largest one in Nashua or New Hampshire. I don't know. Do you know? I don't know.
They did an awful job at this floor.
It's supposed. I'm lost. This is supposed to have a bigger wine selection.
I guess. Oh, and they have coolers, I guess.
Mouth breather. Okay.
Look at how this one comes.
Wow. Comes in a book.
Says
350.
limited edition.
I wish that was real.
It's the big one down there.
I don't know why, but there's always ants in our driveway from something. Those are ants. I think Matt's just like dropping food out of his car door or something, and it's like they're just feasting. I don't know, they're all over this plant.
Okay, I'm gonna do it anyways.
Enough.
Here we go.
Ew.
Researchers, how about this? We're just gonna try it. You're a brilliant dream team doctor. You're like working on cancer research.
My sister just made these spooky bat cutout cookies. Yeah, that looks like them. Expectation, reality. They look good.